Okay, we're filming something. Don't know what.
We're gonna move this
I think we're filming.
steel
Yeah.
toe boot of yours fits in here so we can go for a ride.
You don't like the way I ride without my boot working on it?
It'll probably be a more pleasurable experience for you.
No, he says I got big feet. I don't know. Fine to me.
The big boots that you got.
Those pussy toes right there. Little pussy toes down there is the problem.
It's leaking oil, but that's normal, people. This is a shovel head.
Is that how you do it?
Yeah. That's how you know you got, fluid in it.
You know what? Every Harley I've ever seen leaks oil. I don't care what year it is. You notice that? Except for that soft tail that we got running last night. It didn't leak a drop. Something wrong with it. Maybe put some more oil in it.
I'm just going to snug this up just a touch and see what you think of this. See how your boot fits underneath that?
My booty? And my booty fits? It's fine, get rid of that. Fits under there now.
Is that good? You happy with it?
I don't know until I try to ride it.
Well, get on it.
But I'll figure it out.
Get on it.
It doesn't matter. I'll figure out how to ride. I can do it. I can make it work. I made it work before. I learned how to ride anything a long time ago. When you work on bikes for a living, and you work on choppers, you never know what you're going to come across. Right, left, up, down, who knows, hand. You never know what you're working on. Figure it out. So let's try starting it up, see if the light works with a little vibration.
Guess gas would help, huh?
Maybe. Hold out. No light. No headlight. On. That's high beam again. Put it back on low. Rev it up a little. Rev it up. Nothing. Leave it on high. The way it works.